This was a cool one that he showed us. It's 2 rear drive axles. So the main drive shaft comes back, comes into here. Let's see if I can show for you. It comes into here, and then it transfers it up over to this shaft, which takes it in to this differential here, allowing you to have both axles as rear drive axles. This is a logging truck. As you can see, there's not really flooring, but it's inside, so I don't see the condition of it getting any worse. We'll walk over here real quick. Here's that. Here's the advertisement for the kit. You can pause this if you want to read it.